Hi everyone, this is Abdul and you're watching another unboxing video from me today. So I hope everyone is doing fine. So as usual, a knife to open the packages. This time a knife that was gifted to me last week from parents-in-law as a birthday gift. Really nice, really nice one. I think I'll make an open heart. So it's faster. Okay. So that's me. So what do we have here? Package inside a package inside a package inside a package inside a piece of paper, and here we go. Doxa. Really nice NOS watch. Winds really well. With an original Ed Eixa is lizard, so lizard leather. So by the way, I'm wearing my Ergon Maelstrom bronze watch on a blue strap. Let me just pull it out and put the Doxa on. And not so bad at all, not so bad at all. Get the time grapher, put it on the time grapher and see how it was doing. Let's see. Line's good, and let's see if it changes the date. Really nice. Has an actually quick save date function, so perfect. Just setting the date, and looks really nice. Put it on the time grapher and I'll get you the results. So as you can see, the watch is doing pretty well. 0 seconds, it was started plus 14, minus 2. Now 0 with a beat rate of 0.3, which is pretty well. Thank you for watching, have a great one, and see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and of course comment if you want to know anything about this watch or any other watch. Have a great one.